So what's up guys, my name is Rehan Alam and you are watching Tech Bros. So today I am going to unbox a drawing material which is a pen eraser, and the name of this pen is STL, and the price of this eraser is 400 rupees, and I will give you the full review of this product. So let's start. So now I am going to unbox this pen, and first I am opening this packet. So you can see I have opened, and this is the main pen, and when you press in the back side then the eraser will come, and you can put it inside also, and you will get 5 lead of this eraser. You can see 5 lead, and now let us test it how it works. So you can see I have done sketching in this paper, and now I'll try to rub. So you can see it is rubbing very nicely. You can rub, and it is mainly used for highlighting. It is mainly used in highlighting. So you can see you can easily rub with this, and you will get very thin strikes like this. So this was our pen, and if you are making sketch and portraits, then this is very important for highlighting purpose. And if you want to see like this more videos, then subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to like, share and comment and give my feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.